This is why your dog turns into a tiny tornado of destruction. First, let's pause and think. Are they bored? Dogs need mental and physical stimulation. No walkies means more chewies. Next, it's separation anxiety. When you're gone, they miss you like crazy. And what better way to cope than gnawing on your favorite sneakers? Lastly, don't forget about teething. Just like human kiddos, puppies chew to soothe those sore gums. So, how do we fix this? Give them plenty of toys, regular exercise, and some good old-fashioned attention. And remember, a tired pup is a happy pup. Catch y'all next time. And keep those shoes safe. Like, comment, and subscribe.